Hello friends, I am Dwarkis Sekra. I am currently studying in Marwadi University from ICT branch. First of all, my OOP project is all get IC with input. Uh, this is type of logic gates. Uh, it have seven type of logic gate: AND gate, NAND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate, and NOT gate. And this is type of input. One input type of logic gate, only NOT gate. This is a one input NOT gate IC. Inside IC, six NOT gate. Then two input type of logic gate is six gates: AND gate, NAND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate, and only six gate. This is a two input AND gate IC. Then two input NAND gate IC, and this is a two input OR gate IC, and this two input or NOR gate IC, and then two input XOR IC, then two input XNOR IC. These all IC inside the four logic gate. Pin 1, 2 is input, 3 is output, then 4, 5, 8, 9, and 12, 13 is a input pin, and 3, 6, 10, and 11 is a output pin. 7 is a ground pin, and 14 is a input voltage pin. Then three input type of logic gates. Three input logic gate is a AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, and similarly XOR and XNOR gate. But in the IC, three input gate is having a four type. First is AND gate IC, three input AND gate IC. Inside the IC having a three AND gate. Second OR gate IC, third NAND gate, and four NOR gate. This all IC inside the having three logic gates. Now move to my code. This is a first page code, and then after second page code, third page code, fourth, fifth, and this is a last page code. Now run my code. So I click enter. This frame choose any one: first input, two input, and three input. I click first input. First input is a NOT gate, so I input A, B. This is a wrong input, so I click NOT gate. It will give me error. Enter correct data. Then I input 1, 2. This is also a wrong input, so click NOT gate, and it will give me enter 0 or 1 data. So I input 1, it gave me 0, and I enter 0, it gave me 1. So back. Then I choose two input. This is all two input gates: AND gate and OR gate, then NAND gate, similarly OR gate, NOR gate. So I test AND gate. So first click I and get the user not input any kind of data. So it give me pop-up enter correct data. I enter data A, then any of no any of wrong data, then click, it will give me error enter correct data. Then I input not not 0 or 1 data, 1 2 and 2 0, then click and get, it will give me error message enter 0 or 1 data. I enter 1 or 0, it give me 0. I enter 1 1 and get give me 1. Then I test or get, I input 1 2 1 and 1, output is 0 1, sorry, I enter 0 or 0, output is 0. NAND gate, this is a NAND gate IC. I enter 1 or 1 0 and I enter 0 or 1, output is 1. This work as a AND gate truth table, NAND gate truth table. So I 0, I will enter 0 and 0, output is 1. Then back, I choose 3 input. 3 input is having a 4 gate IC. XOR and XNOR is a not 3 input IC. So I test AND gate IC. You not enter any kind of data and press AND gate, so it give me pop-up enter correct data. You enter 2 text field and last text field is not enter and click AND gate, so it give pop-up enter correct data. So you compulsory fill all of the input, then is working properly. I input 1 0 1, output is 0. I input 1 1 1 and output is 1. Then OR gate, I click OR gate, it give me pop-up enter correct data. I enter apart from 0 or 1 any kind of data, it give me error. So I input 0 or 1 data. I enter 1 0 1, output is 1. Similarly, not get, I enter 1 1 and 1, output is 0. This is NAND gate IC 3 input. I enter 1 0 or 0, output is 1. This is my code. This code is 3 input. Choose any 3 input gate IC. This is a code. similar kind of two input. So I run my code. Enter. So you can test any of IC. And next. So thank you very much. I thank CD Parmar sir is HOD of our department. They give me this opportunity, and also thank our faculty member Kumar sir. So thank you very much.